I'm going to take the last lesson. That is the learn how to climb trees. Okay. Here we are going to the two persons. Number one is the Jim Corbett and then conversing. So what is this conversation between these two? We are going to. Many tigers roamed about in the thick forest in the Human and Garhol hills till the beginning of the 20th century. Jim Corbett was brought up in this region. Jim Corbett was brought up in the thick forest region. That means Jim Corbett know how to climb the trees, because thick forest means many tigers and elephants, then lions, everything will be wandering here and there. No? So he knows how to climb the tree, and he knows how to shoot the animals also. So here he was brought up in the thick forest. He loved mountains. You remember it. He loved mountains, forest and animals. He loved mountains, forest and rivers. Who loved Jim Corbett? He was an excellent shooter. He was an excellent shooter. That means he was brought up in the thick forest. He can an excellent shooter. He killed many man-eaters. Man-eaters, that is a scavengers. Scavengers means man-eater. He killed many man-eaters and saved the lives of countless people. So those who face cruel animals, he killed that one. He saved the lives of the many people. Who? Jim Corbett. So now he was going to meet the Kunwar Singh. What is the topic? Kunwar Singh was the first to visit me the day I was given me my first gun. I was 8 then. He came early. I put the old double-barreled gun into his hand with great pride. Pride is the other form of the proud. Pride, other form, proud. So why he was feeling proud? Because he knows everything. So he was giving his gun to the Kunwar Singh. So with pride, then he had the gun aside and said to me, "You are no longer a boy, but a man. And with this good gun, you can go anywhere you like in the jungle and never be afraid, provided you learn how to climb trees." He was instructing the Kunwar Singh, you are not a boy, you are a man, you have to learn everything. Like that he given the gun and you go and wander in the forest. Like that he was saying to the Kunwar Singh. I will now tell you a story to show how necessary it is for us with shoot in the jungle to know how to climb trees. So what is the importance of the climbing the trees and shooting the animals? And now I will tell a story to the like that he was saying to the Kunwar Singh. Har Singh, I went to shoot one day and last April. We started then, the stars were paling. Paling means about 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. The sun is going to setting down. Paling means very less light. Since we found nothing to shoot, nothing was there, because that was not the time to wander in the forest. No, maybe all the animals are hidden somewhere. So that there was no shooting. We started for some towards evening while we were taking a sandy nalla. Nalla means small canal. Nalla then ran through dense scrub. Dense means very thick one. Scrub and thorn bamboo jungle. A tiger was looking at us. So when they were thinking nothing was there to shoot, so suddenly when they were walking, they saw one tiger was looking like this only. So somewhere it was there. It was looking at the Har Singh and then Jim Corbett. Then they got one idea. It started at Earth for some time but went back. So it came and again it went back. Okay, ma'am? So Jim Corbett knows how to shoot, but this animal also knows. He was also afraid of the human beings. No? So when it saw the people and it went back, we continued on our way and the tiger came out again. Again we started second time. Again, and it was growling with anger. Growling is like this, growling and twitching its tail like this. That means whenever the tiger saw these two people, it wanted to attack and tear into pieces. That's what it was growling and doing like this with its tail. Then we stood still, and luckily they stood like that only. The tiger left the nalla. The tiger left the Nala. So the leaving that place, the tiger leaving that Nala, the small canal. Being disturbed by the tiger, who disturbed these two people? Disturbed by the tiger, a number of jungle fowl rose crackling out of the dense scrub. One of them alighted on a branch and hissing fired at it. So whenever all the animals will be there, no, all the animals got angry. They were coming, and when the animals are coming, hissing went up and shot the tiger. The tiger came towards us with a terrifying means with anger. Why? Because the fellow shot the. So, but the animal didn't take any this injury, but it got angry and with terrifying fear. I had climbed up a runi tree. That is the name of the tree, runi tree. But Harsing could not climb up a tree, as he had not learned to climb a tree when he was a boy. So I know, but Purvi Singh does not know how to climb the tree. When the tiger was coming, he unable to climb the tree. So he was there and he went up. But because he know how to climb the tree, he know how to shoot the animals also. But this fellow does not know. He was standing under the tree only. So what happened here? The tiger sprang, he jumped like this. Jumped on the Harsing at him, and he was screaming means crying. Now I fired the gun off into the air. So he was shooting like this. When this blow on the Harsing from the above, he shot with the gun. The tiger went away and Harsing collapsed at the foot of the tree. He was collapsed at the foot of the tree. This is the tree. He was the collapse of the tree. Because he sprang like this, no, maybe the person got the hurt. Then when Harsing collapsed at the foot of the tree, I climbed down very silently and went to Harsing. I found that one of the tiger's claws means like this. One of the claws, he sprang like this, maybe he touched like this. So he came down and observing the Harsing. One of the tiger's claws went in deep and torn the lining from his navel to within a few fingers, breadth of the backbone. So he touched like this, his claws. He went in deep, he got the hurt. So as soon as he saw that one, what he was doing, all this inside had fallen out. I could not know what to do. He does not know what to do. Harsing told me to put his intestines back into his stomach. Harsing asking, keep all my intestines inside. How can he, as he does not know, how can he keep? So he was asking to keep all the intestines. Intestines means, you get in this word in the illness, I think, no? So intestines keep in my stomach, like that he was asking. I stuffed them all back along with the dry leaves. He stuffed and kept on the dry leaves like this, with the dry leaves, grass and the twigs and stuck to them. So by keeping all the intestines, keeping the dry leaves and the twigs and everything, he kept like this. Then afterward, where he was taking, later I wound my pugri means a turban down his stomach and knitted it light to keep everything from falling out again. He started for home, walking for 7 miles. I led the way. Lead is the present tense. Lead is the present tense. Led is the past tense, and led is the past tense. He was following, led. I led the way and Harsing followed me. He was going and Harsing following with the stomach only, with the intestines. So he was keeping all the things are coming out. Though he kept all this like this, but while they were walking, still they have to walk. While they're walking, all the intestines are coming out. Then holding the pugri, the turban, in position, Harsing told me that he wanted to meet the doctor. Why? Because all the intestines came out no more. Though he kept properly, is he a doctor? No. So he has to consult the doctor. So he was asking, I want to meet the doctor. Then we waited for extra 3 miles to the hospital. It was a night and the hospital was closed. But the doctor Babu, who lived near boy was awake. They have to wait for the doctor, but that is not the time to open the doors of the hospital. But the doctor was beside, he was awake, he was not sleeping, he was awake. Though the doctors awake, are they going to come and see the patients? No. But here, what was the mentality of the doctor? You have to remember. Then he was awake. He asked me to call Aladia, the tobacco seller. Aladia was the maybe friend of the doctor. He was a seller of the tobacco. When I returned the doctor and laid Harsing on a string bed, so he was sleeping on the bed. Harsing was sleeping on the bed. Doctor made sleep on the bed. Aladia held a lantern. Aladia kept the lantern like this. That is a kerosene lantern. I held the two pieces of flesh together. The doctor was very kind. What was the doctor, ma? That was not the time, but the doctor was awake and admitted him and operated him and tested him and checked him and giving the medicine. What kind of a man, ma? Only will find hither and there. But all the doctors are not like that. They will say, tomorrow I will see. But this doctor, though that was not the time to see, though that is the odd time, he came and visited that person. Kunwar Singh, what happened to this? He was going to do everything. Then he was a very kind man. He sewed up the hole in the Harsing's stomach. I offered him 2 rupees. How much he asked? Only 2 rupees. Nowadays, students are having the 1,000 rupees in their though that is not the sufficient one. But here the doctor asked, though the time was odd one, though that is the horrible time, but he has only 2 rupees, but he refused to take it. He refused to take it. Refuse opposite accept. The doctor refused to take 2 rupees what they were giving. 2 rupees to refuse to take it. When we went home, the women folk were crying. Why? Because they were thinking about the Harsing. Whenever the tiger sprang up and put the cloth, the intestines came out, maybe he's about to die. But by the grace of God, he got life. Who given the life? The doctor. Though that was the odd time. So my dear student, those who are needy, you have to help them. That only helping. Okay, God will give you reward, God will give you salary, but not all the time. So you should that is the band. Friendship band means that is the friendship. Your friendship will be very strong one when you are helping in needy. But Kunwar Singh helped. He was in needy. Okay, nobody was there. Only Kunwar Singh and Harsing, Jim Carpet were there. So Jim Carpet took him to the hospital and made him everything okay. Doctor also good and Jim Carpet also good. So when our hearts are good, we'll find that only. So we learn in the 6th class to 11 cents and $1 no more. That the girl tests also very good heart. So he found what they need. The doctor only they found. Okay, ma. So whenever you need, definitely you will get the help from your friend. When you help, that is the really 100% correct answer. So you should not say no. When you have opportunity to help, you have to help your friend. Not only friend, whoever may be, whoever comes to you, but not all the rich people. Those who are in needy, then only you will get the reward. Okay, ma? Have you understood, ma? Bye.